An attorney for the only survivor in that shooting says his client acted in self-defense.
It's been almost 3 weeks since Tammy Parker and Brian Kapnerhurst were found dead at a home in the Ascot Estates. Parker's husband was home at the time. No charges have been filed, and investigators not releasing many details in this case. Brian McCunkey here now with more of what Brett Parker's attorney says happened inside that home. Brian?
Well, Daryl, one thing authorities have established, they are not looking for anyone who was outside that Taqueria Court home almost 3 weeks ago, which means Brett Parker is the only person alive who really knows what happened that day. Tonight, the Richland County Sheriff's Department still not saying much about this case, but Parker's attorney is. Shortly before 1 p.m. on Friday, April 13th, the deputies received a 911 call from this home on Taqueria Court in Irmo's upscale Ascot Estates neighborhood. An incident report shows Brett Parker made that call and was waiting for deputies in his driveway when they arrived. Investigators later found Parker's wife Tammy and family friend Brian Kapnerhurst shot dead inside that home. On Monday, Parker's attorney David Fedor saying Brett acted in self-defense that day. Kapnerhurst was invited to the home, but Parker's attorney says the Batesburg-Leesville man also had a gun. At some point, Fedor says Brian Kapnerhurst shot Tammy Parker, then told Brett to go to an upstairs safe. There was another gun there, according to Fedor, and Parker used it to shoot Kapnerhurst. Fedor is still trying to determine why Kapnerhurst shot Tammy Parker. Now, the Sheriff's Department is not commenting on any of the details that Fedor talked about today, simply saying the case is still being aggressively investigated. David Fedor tells Watch Fox News he expects Brett Parker to be charged in this shooting. It's worth noting, though, that South Carolina does have a stand-your-ground law, and the shooting happened inside Brett Parker's home.